Hello everyone and welcome to F&M Mechanical installation. This is our exhaust, bathroom exhaust, 4-inch spiral, and we have a kitchen exhaust. The kitchen exhaust is basically for a microwave range. The homeowners don't really want anything too crazy, so this is what we gave them. We have a 6-inch, a little bit of an offset. Now, what you see here is just some 6-inch flex, 8-inch flex, and we have our ductwork. Not too sure if you can see pretty good, but I'll explain it. Hopefully you get it. We have our ductwork with our reducer. We have our bedrooms, our 8x8x8 registered grills. We have a hallway 8x8x6 registered grills. As you can see, our ductwork starts from downstairs. We have our units in the garage. Now we come up, we elbow straight to an end cap, reducer of course, reduce the duct. From that we tap off with some round spiral duct. That is a 12-inch duct. Everything is insulated because this is heating and cooling. We don't want no sweat or condensation to drip on our homeowners' ceiling. As you can see, we're just about done here. Just going to show you rough what we have going on. You know, this is just flex. This is residential. If you need anything done residential, you guys can definitely give us a call. We will suit all your needs. We have our exhaust fan. These are regular, exhaust fans, toilet fans. I'm gonna go downstairs. We have different fans to show. And this is about done. So that's it. This is an A building. I'm not too sure if I showed you the B building, but that's what we are working on. A, Aspen, and B for the Birch. Currently we're doing 270 units. These are apartment buildings, and this is what it will look like after everything is sheetrocked. I don't think you guys will see anything, but this is our return. Now we have a fire damper here for the return. I'm gonna go and show you the units. We have a Goodman unit, piping, A coil. As you can see, this is the supply, and this is our return. Our return, just elbows to that damper, to that fire damper, and voila, installation complete. And we have the same exact duplicate on the other side. If you want to see, these are replica of these apartment buildings. Piping, 3-inch to our 2-inch, reduces everything. PVC goes to the roof. These are furnaces with A coils. Well, you guys can give us a call. F&M Mechanical. Check us out. FMHVACpro.com. You guys can even email us at FMHVACpro@gmail.com. Thank you.